learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everybody. It's time for our practical Hakka session here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们都会很有礼貌，要问一个东西，不能OK， 一定要请问。
对，这样一下会被你吓到，还要收紧。
越熟的朋友跟你的话，我就
我就回答你，我有多我很高。
All right, in a polite form, when you ask a question in Chinese, you would actually top it off with 请问, which means may I ask. How do you say that in Hakka?
呛问。
呛问 Okay, that is 请问 may I ask. 现在捷运越来越发达，越来越方便了。
有什么红线、蓝线？
对。然后不常坐的人或者从外地来的，可能不知道怎么做去这个淡水，比如说 ，OK，好，我们今天就来描述这样的一个故事。好了，All right， 请问去淡水要坐哪一条线呢 ？If I want to go to 淡水 which line should I take？
呛问去淡水。
呛问去淡水。
爱坐哪一条线？
爱坐哪一条线？哪一条线就是哪一条线啊？
对啊，
对不对？
哪一条线呢？
我就觉得一模一样的感觉啊。It sounds just like Mandarin。哪一条线？哪一条线？
哪一条线？
对，比较可爱一点的感觉。哪一条线？
然后他就跟你这条线。
All right, and the answer would be take it to the Taipei main station and transfer onto the red line when you can get to 淡水 right? 通常就是坐到台北车站之后转红线就可以到达淡水咯。怎么说坐到台北车站转红线？
坐到台北茶条。
坐到台北茶条。
或者是坐到台北茶站。
茶站 OK， 茶条跟茶站都是 station
盘凤线给茶。
盘凤线给茶。
要转红线的，
盘是一个转的意思。
对，我们就说盘茶就是转像人家转车咯。
Okay.
要到哪里转什么这样。
So 盘 is like a transfer, okay, or to turn, you know, literally, but to transfer in this sense. And the red line 红线就是
凤线。
凤线 that is the red line, okay? And of course, you ask politely, you should end it politely too by saying thank you, 谢谢。
按字 say，
按字 say， there you have it. Okay, let's review some of these phrases such as which line 哪一条线怎么说？
哪一条线？
哪一条线 And then we teach you just one word. It means to transfer or to turn 转
盘
That's how you say it in Hakka. And it's all about asking politely 请问呛问而不是红线在哪里？
对呀。
That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太感？
按字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.